Hello guys, so in this video let's host our web app in VM. So we already have Azure VM and there we have installed IIS, that is this VM now can host web app. Now in this video let's create ASP.NET Core web app in Visual Studio and let's deploy it in VM. Then let's run this web app using localhost URL, that is we should be able to run this web app locally from VM. And now if you try to run this web app using IP address of this VM, that is, let's say for example something like this, that is IP address :8080, then it will not work. Okay, and to make it work we will have to use something called network security group, which we will do in our upcoming videos. So guys, we are in Visual Studio and here let's say create a new project. Here I will select ASP.NET Core web app. Let's say next. Let's give name, so I will say our web app in VM. I will say next. Let's unselect HTTPS and here I will say create. So guys, you can see our project is ready. Now let's open views. Under that home, let's open this index page. Now here it says welcome, but I will delete this and here I will simply say welcome to web app hosted in VM. So let's save and let's run our project. And guys, you can see our web project is running successfully and it says welcome to web app hosted in VM. And now obviously we want to deploy this in VM. So let's stop the execution. Now first let's publish this project in our local folder. So I will right click on this project and I will say publish. I will select folder. Next. Now let's browse to the location where we want to publish this. So I will say browse. And here I will say this PC, and now I'll go to my D drive and here I have something called published apps, and under that I have this folder created, that is our web app in VM. So let's select this folder. I will say OK. I will say finish and here I will say publish. And you can see the publish has been successful. So let's click on this open folder. So guys, this is our published app, and obviously now we want to copy this folder and we want to paste it in VM so that we should be able to host this web app in VM, right? So for that we need to connect to the VM, and for that we need to have public IP address of the VM. So let's go to the Azure portal. So guys, we are in Azure portal and this is our VM. So let's open it. So guys, we are in this VM and under overview, and obviously now we want to connect to this VM. So let's click on this connect. Here I will say connect. Let's go down and here I will say download RDP file. So basically we will be connecting to this VM using public IP using RDP. So guys, this is the downloaded RDP file. So let's double click. I will say connect. And of course now we need to provide the password. And now I will say OK. I will say yes. So we are getting connected to this VM. Okay, so guys, we are in this VM. So let's open folder explorer. I will click on this PC and let's host our web app in this temporary storage, that is D drive. So let's open it. And now we want to copy the folder, that is the folder where we have published our application. So we have to copy that folder and we have to paste it in this VM. So let's go to this publish app and we have published our project in this folder, that is our web app in VM. So let's simply copy this entire folder I'll say copy and let's paste it over here. And let's wait. And the copy has been successful. And now let's go to the IIS. So let's press Windows plus R so that we are in this run, and here I will say inet mgr. Let's say OK. So let's expand this. Let's go to sites. So we have something called default site. So first let's delete it. So I will right click and I will say remove. I'll say yes. And now let's right click on this site and I will say add website. So let's give name to our site. So I will say our web app in VM. Now let's select the physical path, that is the folder which we just copied. So let's go down. So it's under D drive and this is our web app in VM. So let's say OK. And here under port, let's say 8080 and I will say OK. And here now let's click on this browse 8080. So let's click. And you see guys, our web app is working and it says that welcome to web app hosted in VM. So as you can see, this web app, it's working with this local host in URL. So let's see what happens if I replace this local host with the IP address of this VM, and the IP address of this VM is this one. See this 20.28.51.90. So basically let's go to this new tab and here I will say http:// IP address of this VM, that is 20.28.51.90 then colon 8080 and let's say enter. And you see guys, it's already taking more time, so it's not gonna work. And yes, it says can't reach the page. So ideally, if this web app, if it's working with this localhost URL, then it should work with this IP address as well. Okay. So to make it work, first we'll have to tweak firewall and then we will have to use NSG, that is Network Security Group. Okay. And now let's do it in our upcoming videos. Thank you.